I left teaching after 10 years. I specialised in etching at the Carlisle Art College. It was actually a fine art course, but I gravitated to the print studio and never left it. I've got a press of my own, a studio, but I really do love coming up here. I come from Carlisle. It doesn't matter how long you've been doing printmaking, there's always something else to learn. My work's all about drawing. It's mainly soft ground, and sometimes you find that you need to just sharpen up some of the shapes, so I just do some hard ground on top. It's called the Old Gate and Beyond. Well, it's really the Cumbria Fells. I have land and I have various boxes on my land, and I put my art equipment in there so I can choose where I want to go, and I just draw outside in all weathers on thick tracing paper, which I bring up here. I turn around because of this different image, on the copper, and I draw it again. I never trace because I think the quality of the line is much better. The fells change. I've been there 25 years. Sometimes I can be drawing a tree and it falls down when I go for lunch. So it's not unknown for me to come back and heave this tree. They're usually willows. Heave it back and lean it against another tree. That's happened twice. I like trees that are rotting, and sometimes the piece that you are drawing falls off. Right?